Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to manage autoresponders in DirectAdmin. These are automatic, pre-written replies sent to specific emails for specific reasons, like informing one that you are out of office or that you will respond in a certain duration. Autoresponders will help you to manage your calendar and communication in the best way possible. To begin, log into your DirectAdmin account. Scroll to Email Manager and click Autoresponders. Here you will be able to see the list of any already created autoresponders. To create one, click on the Create Autoresponder button. On this page, you should give the responder address here. Now ensure that the subject prefix and the content type are correct. Set the desired reply frequency. Now type the message you would like the responder to bear. If you would like to send a copy elsewhere, check this box and key in the email address. This means that when an email is sent, an auto reply will be sent by this email address bearing the set information. In this case, I am away on vacation, and a carbon copy of this email is sent to this provided address. Once done, click on the Save button. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.